Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to delete an app on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to your MacBook and open it, and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But now guys, let's see what else we have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the Finder, File, Edit View. We have the Go, Window, and Help options. And in the top right corner, we have your date, password, battery, and at the bottom of the screen, we have all of your applications. Well, not all of them, but the ones that you're using the most. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete an app on a MacBook. So first of all, click on the Finder icon in your dock, which is here, as you can see. You have it here, or you can click on the top left corner here. In the Finder, click on Applications, then locate the app that you want to delete. Drag the app into the trash in the dock, or right-click the app and select Move to Trash. To permanently delete the app, right-click on the trash icon here. As you can see, this is the trash icon, and click Empty Bin. And click again Empty Bin, and it will be emptied. From the Launchpad, you can go to your dock and press on the Launchpad key on your keyboard, F4. Find the app you want to delete, click and hold the app icon until it starts jiggling. Then click the X button that appears on the app icon and confirm the deletion. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.